Hello friends, this is Eden from Eden's Kitchen. Today I will be cooking seafood Spanish paella. Here are the ingredients: mussels, squid, paella rice, olive oil, fish broth, lemon wedges, tomatoes, red bell pepper, clams, paella powder. If you don't have paella powder like this, you can use saffron, shrimps, onion, garlic, tomato sauce, parsley. Don't forget salt and pepper to taste. You can check the proper measurement down below after finishing this video. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm going to put my authentic paella pan and put some olive oil. Let's fry first the squid. For about a minute. Sprinkle with a little bit of rock salt. Okay, I will remove them from the pan. Let's add the garlic, onion, mix it until a little bit golden brown. Let's add the bell pepper. For about a minute. I'm going to add the fresh tomato now. Mix it again for about a minute. Now let's add the tomato sauce. Mix it well. Let's season with salt and ground black pepper. Now, I am going to add my paella mix. One teaspoon. As I've said, if you don't have paella mix, you can use saffron. Mix it well like this. Now I am going to return back the squid back to the pan. Now I am going to add my fish broth. Let it boil for about 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes of boiling, now I am going to add my paella rice. Like this. You can mix it gently like this. Don't mix the rice so much. Just gently like this. Or sometimes you can shake your pan like this to make sure na hindi didikit yung rice. Leave it for around 6 minutes. Okay, after 6 minutes, let's start arranging the mussels. Now the clams. This is 1 handful of fresh clams. I think hindi ko siya ilalagay lahat kasi masyado silang marami. Wala na kasing place ang mga hipon. Now the prawns. I think I have to put that there para magkaroon ng shrimps banda rito. Let's lower the fire to medium heat for about 15 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes, cover the pan with aluminum foil like this. Cover the pan with aluminum foil for about 25 minutes hanggang maluto yung rice. Okay, let's wait and see if the rice is done. Tikman natin. Dito tayo kumuha. It's beautiful. Very well done na yung ating rice, no? Tamang-tama lang yung kanyang sangkap, yung kanyang lasa, yung kanyang salt, no? Okay. Luto na po siya. At ililipat na natin sa isang serving plate. At pwede na nating iserve. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you so much. And see you next time. Happy cooking! Okay, ayan po ang ating finished product. Seafood Spanish Paella.